You got more questions, but I tell you, if you have a problem figuring out whether you're for me or Trump, then you ain't black.
And you ain't black.
Hey, Jed, I heard that old Joy Reid over at MSLSD interviewed Charlemagne the God over at Power 105.1 about Joe Biden concerning that apology over the "you ain't black" statement. Oh yeah? So what you're telling me is, we got a corporate teleprompter reading idiot from the CIA-infiltrated Operation Mockingbird propaganda arm of the military-industrial complex interviewing an agenda-driven, race-baiting nitwit who's soundly a sheep at the wheel, no pun intended, because he's blinded to the left versus right paradigm lie, taking the time to discuss the hollow apology of a banker-bought, sold-out, Title 28, Section 3002, 15A corporate parasite, thus solidifying the distract, deceive, divide, and conquer agenda of fake stream media. Oh boy, what could possibly go wrong?